Are you recording? What's up, Dad?
Hello. Hi, Dad. If you're watching this, I love you.
Aww.
There's another slip. There's another slip. Is there?
No.
That's something big.
I'm happy for you.
On the corner. No, right here.
Let her open it.
I was just trying to help her.
I told you.
It's not a baby book.
What is it?
It's a scrapbook.
Oh.
Why does it say magic?
Aww. You bought some stuff. Thank you.
Thank you. Sorry.
You're welcome. Wait, I didn't even know.
What's that one say? I see it. I'm not listening. Don't stop.
Is it?
Oh,
I didn't know you could flip that and look through them.
There's 4 of them.
Hi.
That'll be good to put stuff in.
Mhm.
My turn? My turn.
I like this wrapping paper.
My turn. My turn.
Open.
Oh,
There you go.
the birthday cake?
Take the part off. This is for me and Mom and Dad.
That's the other.
I don't get it. Oh.
You pulled it a chewy. What's it say? Can you read it out loud?
Why?
Alright, just never mind. I have to.
Wait. Make a big wish and have the great? Is it great?
Best.
Best or great
And have the best
birthday
ever. Have the best birthday ever.
I can't read.
It's fine.
Love, Mom, Dad, Marquise. Audrey and Vanessa. That and I don't know.
It has 4 legs.
What?
His name is Chewy.
Oh! That's it.
Oh, no.
Hey,
Never mind. That was right.
Hey. What the?
Why does this look like tinfoil on the inside? You were just watching stuff about that.
Wait, is that your doll? Look on the back. Look on the back. Is that her?
They don't have that on Netflix, do they?
No. I just looked this up on the laptop.
Oh, wow. Good thing you like it.
Thank you.
Turn it around so everyone can see.
Turn it
Oh,
around.
that's
I can't see.
cute.
I can't see.
Monster High shirt.
This
Whoa.
has to be a Monster
I
High.
go
This
get
has
it.
to be.
Say hi, Dada.
This is the only box.
Hi, Dada.
It isn't.
Hi.
Mom.
I knew it was gonna be a Monster High. I knew it was gonna be.
You got the
her.
last one left in the whole store.
What is it?
I-
Lagoon?
Dude.
Lagoon Blue?
Can't
Laguna?
Laguna Blue?
see. That's the
She's
one you
pretty.
wanted, huh?
Yeah, I knew it was gonna be that.
Does any of your friends have those?
Never mind.
Does
Huh?
it have the same dress?
What happened?
No, she has a different dress.
Your friend has that one?
But not the same hair and stuff. She has different hair. With the same colors and
I like the
different-
whole theme of the Monster High.
Why? It looks ugly?
No, it's cute.
Saying you're trying to look sideways.
No, she's saying she looks so.
Bye, Daddy.
Bye.
Bye.
Love you.
Bye. Say bye.
I want to
It's upside down.
I want to open it. I want to open it. I want to open it.
Mwah. Have kiss.
Oh.
Mwah. Aw, you get a pony kiss? Maybe not.